When it comes to home improvement, door replacement might not always be the first project that comes to mind. However, your doors play a crucial role in your home's security, curb appeal, and energy efficiency. If you're considering upgrading or replacing your doors, one of the most important decisions you'll make is choosing the right contractor for the job. While you might be tempted to hire a larger, national company, there are many compelling reasons why hiring a local Houston contractor for door replacement is often the better choice. Expertise in local building codes and weather conditions. Houston has its own unique set of building codes and regulations, which can vary from city to city and even neighborhood to neighborhood. A local contractor is familiar with these codes and will ensure that your door replacement is compliant with all local laws, making the process smoother and more efficient. Whether you're replacing a front door, patio door, or garage door, a local Houston contractor will know exactly what's required to meet the city's specific building standards. Furthermore, Houston's climate is another consideration when selecting doors. The city experiences hot, humid summers and mild winters, which can have a significant impact on your door's longevity and insulation properties. A local contractor will be able to recommend the best materials and styles suited to withstand the Houston heat, humidity, and occasional storms. Whether you need a door that resists warping in high humidity or one that offers superior energy efficiency, a local contractor will know exactly what's best for the area. Personalized service and support. One of the most significant advantages of hiring a local Houston contractor is the level of personalized service you will receive. Unlike larger, national companies where customer service can sometimes feel impersonal, a local contractor is invested in their community and will go the extra mile to ensure your satisfaction. They are likely to offer tailored solutions, taking the time to understand your specific needs and preferences before making recommendations. Moreover, a local contractor is more likely to be accessible and responsive. If you encounter any issues during or after the door replacement, you can quickly get in touch with the contractor, who will be more than willing to help resolve any problems. With local businesses, you're not just another customer. They rely on their reputation within the community, so you can count on them to provide high-quality work and customer care. Supporting the local economy. When you hire a local contractor, you're not just benefiting from expert service and local knowledge, but you're also helping to support the local economy. By choosing a Houston-based business, you are contributing to the success of small, locally owned companies, which helps create jobs and foster a sense of community. Local contractors often have strong ties to their community, and by hiring them, you're supporting the growth and prosperity of your own city. Furthermore, many local contractors rely on other local businesses for materials and supplies, further boosting the local economy. Choosing a local contractor for your door replacement project can help circulate money within the Houston area, benefiting other businesses as well. Faster response and project completion. One of the most frustrating aspects of working with large, national companies is the long wait times for estimates, scheduling, and project completion. Local Houston contractors, on the other hand, often have more flexible schedules and can respond to your needs faster. Since they typically have smaller teams and are more familiar with the area, they can often start and complete your project more quickly, saving you time and hassle. Additionally, if there are any delays or issues during the installation, a local contractor is more likely to have the flexibility to address them without causing significant setbacks. The ability to work closely and communicate effectively with your contractor ensures that the project will stay on track. Competitive pricing and transparent estimates. Local contractors often offer more competitive pricing than larger companies, who may have to factor in overhead costs for their national operations. Since local contractors have lower operational costs and can provide a more personalized service, they often pass those savings on to the customer. Additionally, local contractors are usually more transparent when providing estimates and discussing pricing, ensuring there are no hidden fees or surprises down the line. Conclusion: when it comes to door replacement in Houston, hiring a local contractor is a decision that can save you time, money, and stress while ensuring a higher level of service and quality. A local contractor brings expertise in the city's unique building codes and climate conditions, offers personalized service, supports the local economy, and can deliver faster and more efficient results. With a focus on competitive pricing and transparent estimates, local contractors are often the best option for homeowners looking to make a lasting investment in their home's security and appearance.